Love is a beautiful thing when it's working, isn't it? It's like birds chirping and Let's go to a comedy show. But it's very delicate, you know? One false move would turn them birds into bats. You didn't return my text message. I know about love. I've been with my girl for 18 years. Me and my queen been rocking 18 years, man. Yeah. 18, 1-8, yes. Yeah. We just had our second child, you know. So I got a 2-year-old and a 4-month-old. We're not married yet, but I think she might be the one. Seems like a great gal. We're really getting to know each other. And before y'all think I'm an asshole, we both like the fact that we can just walk away at any moment. It's a choice, man. We ain't gotta get the government involved or nothing. We just be like, bye, I don't need you. I don't need you! Hey, what's the Wi-Fi code?